Imagine a phone so smart, it predicts your next move before you even tap the screen. A phone that doesn't just charge wirelessly, but magnetically clicks into accessories, floats in your hand, and packs camera stabilization that feels like Hollywood-level gear. Yeah, the Pixel 10 Pro isn't just a typical upgrade, it's Google finally flexing hard, and trust me, they're coming for Apple and Samsung with a quiet, confident punch. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you enjoyed bite-sized tech scoops with a twist, make sure to like, share this video with your fellow tech nerds, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss what's coming next. So what's the deal with the Pixel 10 Pro? It may look familiar on the outside, but under the hood, Google's made some seriously bold moves, starting with the chip. The Tensor G5 isn't just a new processor, it's Google finally ditching Samsung's 4nm manufacturing for TSMC's ultra-efficient 3nm node. Translation? This thing runs cooler, lasts longer, and absolutely flies through tasks, especially when it comes to AI. And speaking of AI, Google's got a secret weapon this year, a new feature called Magic Cube. Picture this, you're chatting with a friend who asks about your flight. Before you even switch apps, Magic Cube quietly grabs the info from Gmail and gets it ready to paste. It's like having a brainy assistant baked into every app, and it all runs in a secure zone, totally isolated from everything else. Private, fast, and helpful without being creepy. But hold up, camera lovers, don't scroll. You'll want to hear this. Even though the camera setup looks similar to last year, 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, and a 5x telephoto, Google is pulling a wild card, built-in gimbal-level stabilization. No joke. Your videos are going to look like they were shot with a rig. Plus, the image processing is all Google now, no more relying on Samsung's ISP, so we're getting more natural tones, better HDR, and just an overall cleaner, crisper image, especially in harsh lighting. Here's where it gets wild. The entire Pixel 10 lineup, yes, even the base model, is getting telephoto. That's something we usually see brands lock behind Pro tags, but Google's giving it to everyone, and it doesn't stop there. The display across the lineup, brightness is cranked way up. The Pro and Pro XL hit 2,250 nits, making them some of the brightest panels on any phone this year. Outdoor visibility? Not a problem anymore. And finally, they're adding adaptive tone, which dynamically adjusts color warmth based on your surroundings. Your eyes are going to thank you. Now let's talk battery. Google knows they've lagged behind here, and they're catching up fast. The Pixel 10 Pro rocks a 4,870 mAh cell, while the XL model pushes over 5,200 mAh. That's S25 Ultra territory. Charging's faster too, wired speeds go up to 29W, and wireless charging is finally catching up with Qi 2 support at 15W. But here's the twist. There's magnetic wireless charging this time. Google's dropping a whole new accessory ecosystem called Pixel Snap. Think MagSafe but with more attitude. Wireless chargers, stands, magnetic wallets, ring grips. Even third-party case makers are already on board. Want more future tech? Let's talk connectivity. All three Pixel 10 models are confirmed to support satellite communication. Yeah, even the base model. That's not just an emergency feature anymore. You could be out in the middle of nowhere, and boom, still send that "I'm okay" message, or even use it to navigate without signal. Plus, they've switched to a better modem setup, which could finally fix that frustrating signal drop issue Pixel users have dealt with for years. MediaTek's M85 modem is in, and early testing shows it holds signals better than Samsung's outgoing chip, especially in weak coverage zones. Internals aside, Google's going sleek with the design language. No major visual overhaul, but you'll notice a tighter finish, misalignments are gone, antenna cutouts are cleaner, and the rear visor is slightly refined to better blend into the frame. Color options, we've got obsidian, porcelain, sterling, and a striking deep green that's turning heads already. For the base Pixel 10, expect playful tones like lime shallow, blue iris, and a new dual shade version that shifts under sunlight. But here's the real kicker: price. Despite all the upgrades, new chip, AI features, display boost, magnetic accessories, satellite features, Google's keeping the pricing shockingly close to the Pixel 9 series. That means the base Pixel 10 could start around €899, the Pro at €1,099, and the XL maybe just €100 more. No Apple-style price inflation, just smarter value. And for those who love the big screen experience, the Pro XL doesn't just stretch the display, it adds a vapor chamber cooling system for better sustained performance during long gaming sessions or 4K video editing. Early thermals suggest this is the coolest running Pixel ever. Literally. Now for a quick twist. Rumors are still swirling about a Pixel 10 Pro Fold, not confirmed by Google yet, but insiders claim a second-generation folding design is being quietly tested. If true, we might see a sneak peek during the August 20th launch event or later in the year as a separate reveal. And with Android 16 optimized for foldables, don't be surprised if Google throws a surprise "one more thing" announcement just like Apple does. There's a lot more packed into this phone than meets the eye, and if you blink you might miss a feature that quietly changes how you use your device every day. Whether it's the AI enhancements that make multitasking seamless, or the tiny charging upgrades that make a big difference in real life, the Pixel 10 Pro series isn't just catching up, it's carving out its own lane. So the question isn't whether the Pixel 10 is better than last year, it's whether it's the smartest phone of 2025, and from everything we've seen so far, the answer is leaning toward a bold yes. If you're just as hyped as I am, drop a comment, what's the feature you're most excited for? I'm reading them all, and if you want more spicy breakdowns like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your fellow tech fans. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next.